Hi, Chris from In Focus here. Today I'm going to give you a really quick tip on adding mood or tone to a photograph. This can be done in Photoshop manually, which I would suggest you do because that way you create your own signature tones or moods. You could also download some actions and presets for either Photoshop or Adobe Lightroom, which will do them for you, but bear in mind these are actions other people have created, so you can't really call them your signature tones. Saying that, I do think it's a great way to get introduced into the world of adding tone and color, converting an image into black and white instead of just going image adjustments black and white. There's so much more that can be done than that. So I would suggest heading over, for example, to DeviantArt. That's where I downloaded the action set that I'm going to use today as an example for you to show you how quickly the process is. So what I've done is I've loaded a photograph that I downloaded from Unsplash, which is a fantastic resource for free stock photos that you can use if you credit the photographer. It's a beautiful image of an Audi driving in an autumnal setting. So personally, I don't think the photograph needs any adjustments or toning. It's already stunning, but for this tutorial I've downloaded Omar the Rad One's actions. I'm not sure if that's exactly how you pronounce it, but Google it or go to DeviantArt and you'll find the action set, and you can load it into your Photoshop and do exactly the same. So once you have the photo loaded in Photoshop and you've loaded the Photoshop actions, you literally just have to click on his folder, open it. There's about 4 or 5 different actions, and you select the one and you press play and everything else will happen. So what I've done is I've gone through 4 of his actions just to show you the various tones and moods you can very easily add into a photograph. I hope this quick tip has inspired you to dig into the creative process of adding mood or tone to a photograph, because to be quite honest, a standard digital photograph can be great, but a little bit of work on the tonality or the mood, or even adding a black and white filter to it, can really make the photograph pop. Feel free to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any retouching inquiries, I'm more than happy to give you advice. Thanks for watching.